Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Exam Point Notes. Today we are going to cover part 3 of class 12 biology chapter 6 molecular basis of inheritance NEET PYQs. Let's start. First question. The term nuclein for the genetic material was introduced by A. Miescher, B. Chargaff, C. Mendel, D. Franklin. The correct option is option number A, which is Miescher. Next question, question number 2. The experimental proof of semi-conservative replication of DNA was first shown in A. Fungus, B. Bacterium, C. Plant, D. Virus. The correct option is option number B, which is bacterium. Next question, question number 3. Select the correct match. A. Ribozyme, nucleic acid, B. F2X recessive plant dihybrid cross, C. Th Morgan transduction, D. G Mendel transformation. The correct answer is option number A, which is ribozyme nucleic acid. Next question. Question number 4. The final proof for DNA as a genetic material came from the experiments of A. Griffith, B. Hershey and Chase, C. Avery, Massiold and MC Carty, D. Hargobind Khurana. The correct option is option number B, which is Hershey and Chase. Next question. A molecule that can act as a genetic material must fulfill the trait given below except A. It should be unstable structurally and chemically. B. It should provide the scope for slow changes that are required for evolution. C. It should be able to express itself in the form of Mendelian character. D. It should be able to generate replica. The correct option is option number A, which is it should be unstable structurally and chemically. Next question. Question number 6. Taylor conducted the experiment to prove semi-conservative mode of chromosome replication on A. Drosophila melanogaster, B. E. coli, C. Vinca rosea, D. Vicia feva. The correct option is option number D, which is Vicia feva. Next question. Question number 7. Which of the following RNA act as a structural RNA as well as ribozyme in bacteria? The options are 23SR RNA, B. 5.8SR RNA, C. 5SR RNA, D. 18SR RNA. The correct option is option number A, which is 23SR RNA. Next question. In the C. arkin DNA, which is double-stranded, 70% of the bases were shown to the cytosine. The percentage of other 3 bases accepted to be present in the DNA are A. G 70%, A 33%, T 33%, B G 8.5%, A 50%, T 24.5%, G 34%, A 24.5%, T 24.5%, G 17%, A 16.5%, T 32.5%. The correct option is option number A, which is G is equal to 17%, A 33%, T 33%. Next question. Which of the following is not applicable to rRNA? A. 5 phosphofluoride and 3 hydroxylands, B. heterocyclic nitrogenous base, C. Chargaff rule, D. complementary base pairing. The correct option is option number C, which is Chargaff rule. Next question. Question number 10. The transformation was discovered by A. Watson and Crick, B. Michelson and Stahl, C. Hershey and Chase, D. Griffith. The correct option is option number D, which is Griffith. Next question. Question number 11. The unequivocal proof of DNA as a genetic material came from the studies on A. viroid, B. bacteria virus, C. bacterium, D. fungus. The correct option is option number B, which is bacterial virus. Next question. Question number 12. Whose experiment cracked DNA and discovered triplet nature of genetic code? A. Beadle and Tatum, B. Hershey and Chase, C. Morgan and Sturvant, D. Nirenberg and Matthew. The correct option is option number D, which is Nirenberg and Matthew. Next question. Question number 13. Transformation experiment was first performed on which bacteria? A. E. coli, B. Diplococcus pneumonia, C. Salmonella, D. Pasteurella pestis. The correct option is option number B, which is Diplococcus pneumonia. Next question. Question number 14. Similarity in DNA and RNA. A. Both are polymer of nucleotide. B. Both have similar pyrimidine. C. Both have similar sugar. D. Both are genetic material. The correct option is option number A, which is both are polymer of nucleotides. Next question. Question number 15. DNA synthesis can be specifically measured by estimating the incorporation of radio level. The options are A. Thymidine, B. Deoxyribose sugar, C. Uracil, D. Adenine. The correct option is option number A, which is thymidine. Next question. Question number 16. Radio tracker techniques shown that DNA is a multi-helix stage, B. single helix stage, C. double helix stage, D. none of the above. The correct option is option number C, which is double helix stage. Next question. Question number 17. Who proved that DNA is basic genetic material? A. Griffith, B. Watson, C. Boveri and Sutton, D. Hershey's and Chase. The correct option is option number D, which is Hershey's and Chase. Next question. Question number 18. Experimental material in the study of DNA replication has been A. Escherichia coli, B. Neurospora crassa, C. Pneumococcus, D. Drosophila melanogaster. The correct option is option number A, which is Escherichia coli. Next question. Question number 19. Escherichia coli fully labeled with N15 is allowed to grow in N14 medium. The two strains of DNA molecule of the first, A. different density and do not resemble parent DNA, B. different density but resemble parent DNA, C. same density and resemble parent DNA, D. same density but do not resemble parent DNA. The correct option is option number A, which is different density and do not resemble parent DNA. Next question. Question number 20. During DNA replication, Okazaki fragments are used to elongate. Options are A. the leading strands towards replication fork, B. the lagging strand towards replication fork, C. the leading strand away from replication fork, D. the lagging strand away from the replication fork. The correct option is option number D, which is the lagging strand away from the replication fork. So thank you for watching the video till end. Next part of this chapter will be uploaded soon. So subscribe our channel and stay tuned. Thank you.